Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use location based reminder in iPhone 15. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, go to productivity and finance folder and then open reminders. Now here you can see the button of new reminder. Click on new reminder and add a title. Now you can add additional notes to it if you want to do, otherwise click on details. Now here you can see the location option. Now turn on location and then click on custom. Now select your location where you want to use location based reminder and then you can see my location. Now go back and click on add. Now you can see the location based reminder has been set. Now you arrive or leave the location, it will remind you. Thanks for watching the video.